Here's the opening to the Faulkner Canyon Loop. Went down a wash, waiting for the rest of the crew to catch up with us. Yeah, we're about half mile into it. Interesting little statue here, a horse and rider. Someone left out in the middle of the desert for us. Interesting formations here. I guess they're natural. They say, Steve says they call them turtle rock. Here we are approaching our first waterfall. That's Joanne to the left. A few of the others over there. Steve says there are 7 of these on the trail. We have to scamper over them. Looks like it might be a nice challenge. Kind of a tight slot there. I think I'm going to go up that way. Follow the dog. Taking a little break. There's Cody, Margarito, Cheryl, Joanne, Steve, and I haven't gotten that fella's name yet.
Almost down there, but if you don't want to go down. Okay.
We continue our transit. It looks like a bit of a slot canyon almost.
He goes up that like he's 6 years old. That's what they say. Sometimes I want to kill them. I don't like what they say.
Looks like we're about to gather for a shady break. There aren't many trees available, but look at that gap ahead. I guess that's where we're headed. Looks pretty dramatic. We have the rappelling ropes necessary.
Yep. There's actually one there. You can't reach though. Get a picture of it.
That's the bug thing. It'd be just cool to see if it knew what it was, if it told you it's a stick.
We're heading down from climbing over a ridge. It's a pretty interesting aurora ahead of us. Nice rocks. Lately. Our last significant waterfall, we decided to take the sideways route. As you can see, it's a pretty precipitous drop, and we're scurrying down the canyon walls, and that's the way ahead. I think we probably have about a mile or so to go. I mean, I did briefly consider walking it, climbing it, but I'm very happy now that I did not.